Hello and welcome. My name is Jack Rapton, and in this tutorial today, I'll be showing how to use the Generate Topology tool in 3ds Max to produce wall panels. So this is an example of an earlier panel that I made earlier, and this is what we'll be using today. This is the tool that we'll be using today. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and delete this, and we're going to start from scratch. So we're just going to go to a side view, and we're going to insert a plane from the geometry box. We're just going to draw this plane here. Just make sure we have enough segments selected. So I have 20 by 20. In this case, I'm just going to turn on the edges by clicking F4, and we're just going to go full screen. Okay, so now we just have to right click on the model, convert it to an editable poly. All right, so the next step is to have the topology tool open. You can get that from modeling, polygon modeling, and generate topology. So now we need to select by edge under a polygon editable poly, and we have to select an edge. After that, now we can apply the patterns that we want to the plane. Just make sure that after applying each pattern to undo, otherwise it will just keep doing it on top of each other, and it's not going to be a good result at the end. So now we just, for today's example, we may go with this one here. And the next step now is to select polygon and select the whole thing just by clicking Control A. And we're just going to go to Insert, click Insert, and change by group to by polygon and give it a thickness. So I'm happy with one. Yeah, one looks very good. Yep, I'm happy with that. All right, so the next step is to, well, you don't have to, but it's better to do. It depends to what you want your end results to look like. But if, for example, now I delete the highlighted area, we're going to end up with that, and that's not what I'm looking for today. So I'm just going to undo that, and I'm just going to go to bevel. And under bevel, when you click on bevel, you may get something like this. You're just going to adjust the height. So I'm just going to leave it by negative maybe 2. And I'm going to change this to be 1.5. And then I'm going to OK that. So this is the result that we got now. All right, so now the next step is to delete that highlighted pink red part. We want it to be a void, and we don't want it to be a material there, or we can just leave it to be glass, but we're just going to delete it in this case. There we go. So now the next step is to make it smooth a little bit, maybe. So we can go to the modifier and add a turbo smooth and select turbo smooth. And that's what we get. And we can adjust that to be 0.5 maybe if we want to, or 5, no, sorry, 2, and then there we go. So if we turn the edges off, that is the final result. So you can produce very easy wall panels using this tool, or you can just simply make patterns, realistic material patterns if you want to, just like the earlier model of the brick pattern wall. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and see you next time.